much enjoyment is in store for you. By learning to identify the many species, in these ways you can cultivate the friendship of your garden birds.
I have slipped the surly bonds of earth, and danced the skies on laughter-silvered wings. Sunward I've climbed, and joined the tumbling mirth of sun-split clouds, and done 100 things you have not dreamed of. Wheeled and soared and swung high in the sunlit silence. Hovering there, I've chased the shouting wind along, and flung my eager craft through footless halls of air. And while with silent lifting mind I've trod the high untrespassed sanctity of space, put out my hand and touched the face of